AI tools that do the work for you so you don't have to. Tired of spending countless hours on tedious tasks? What if I told you there are AI tools that can automate those tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters? Let's dive into some game-changing AI tools that can revolutionize your workflow. Writing compelling content can be time-consuming, but what if you had an AI assistant to help you craft perfect copy? These tools can generate blog posts, social media updates, and even marketing emails in a fraction of the time. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai use advanced algorithms to understand your needs and create high-quality content. They can help you overcome writer's block and produce engaging material consistently. Let's see how Jasper can help you write a blog post. First, log into your Jasper account and select Blog Post Workflow. Enter your topic and desired keywords. Jasper will then generate several title options for you to choose from. Next, Jasper will create an outline for your blog post. You can customize this outline to fit your specific needs. Finally, Jasper will write the content for each section of your blog post, ensuring it's engaging and informative. Managing social media can feel like a full-time job, but AI can help you schedule posts, analyze engagement, and even generate content ideas. This allows you to maintain a strong online presence without the constant effort. Tools like Buffer and Hootsuite offer AI-powered features to streamline your social media strategy. They can suggest optimal posting times and identify trending topics to maximize your reach. Let's explore how Hootsuite can automate your social media scheduling. Begin by connecting your social media accounts to Hootsuite. Then use the Compose feature to create your posts. Hootsuite's AI will suggest the best times to schedule your posts based on your audience's activity. You can also use Hootsuite's analytics to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. This data-driven approach ensures your social media efforts are always optimized. Email marketing is crucial for reaching your audience, but crafting effective campaigns can be challenging. AI can help you personalize emails, segment your audience, and optimize your send times for better results. Tools like MailChimp and SendingBlue offer AI-powered features to enhance your email marketing strategy. They can help you create targeted campaigns that resonate with your subscribers. Let's see how MailChimp can personalize your email campaigns. First, segment your audience based on demographics, interests, or purchase history. Then use MailChimp's AI-powered content optimizer to create personalized email content for each segment. MailChimp will analyze your audience data and suggest the most effective subject lines, images, and calls to action. This ensures your emails are relevant and engaging, leading to higher open and click-through rates. Staying organized and managing projects efficiently is essential for success. AI can help you prioritize tasks, track progress, and even predict potential roadblocks. This ensures your projects stay on track and within budget. Tools like Asana and Trello offer AI-powered features to streamline your project management workflow. They can help you automate repetitive tasks and identify critical dependencies. Let's explore how Asana can help you manage your projects more efficiently. Start by creating a project in Asana and adding your tasks. Asana's AI will automatically prioritize your tasks based on deadlines and dependencies. You can also use Asana's AI to identify potential risks and bottlenecks in your project. Asana's AI-powered reporting features provide real-time insights into your project's progress. This allows you to make informed decisions and keep your team aligned. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for building loyalty. AI chatbots can handle routine inquiries, provide instant support, and even escalate complex issues to human agents. This ensures your customers receive prompt and efficient assistance. Tools like Zendesk and Intercom offer AI-powered chatbots to enhance your customer service. They can handle a wide range of inquiries, freeing up your human agents to focus on more complex issues. Let's see how Zendesk can improve your customer service with AI. First, create a chatbot in Zendesk and train it to answer common customer questions. Zendesk's AI will learn from each interaction and improve its responses over time. You can also integrate your chatbot with your knowledge base to provide customers with relevant information. Zendesk's AI-powered analytics provide insights into customer satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. This data-driven approach ensures your customer service is always optimized. These AI tools are just the tip of the iceberg. By embracing AI, you can automate tedious tasks, improve efficiency, and focus on what truly matters, growing your business and achieving your goals. Ready to take your productivity to the next level? Start by exploring the AI tools mentioned in this video. Sign up for free trials, experiment with their features, and discover how they can transform your workflow. Don't wait. Start leveraging the power of AI today and unlock your full potential. Share this video with your network and let's revolutionize the way we work together.